Mechanical engineering is a field of engineering that deals with the design, development, and production of mechanical systems and machinery. The scope of mechanical engineering is vast and ranges from designing and developing machines to creating new products and improving existing ones. Mechanical engineers work in a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, manufacturing, and energy. If you are interested in pursuing a career in mechanical engineering, it is important to find the right college that can provide you with the necessary knowledge and skills. Bhopal is a city that has several reputed colleges that offer courses in mechanical engineering. However, with so many options available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. We at collegesinbhopal.com offers free counseling service to help students find the right mechanical engineering college in Bhopal. We are a team of experienced counselors who can guide you through the entire admission process and provide you with information about the colleges in Bhopal that offer mechanical engineering courses. The counseling service offered by collegesinbhopal.com is completely free, and there is no obligation to enroll in any of the colleges recommended by the counselors. By using our service, you can save time and effort in researching different colleges and can focus on preparing for your entrance exams and interviews. In conclusion, mechanical engineering is a field with vast potential, and Bhopal is a city that offers several excellent colleges in this field. If you are interested in pursuing mechanical engineering, apply for free counseling service at collegesinbhopal.com. We can help you find the right college and jumpstart your career.